Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to give your kitchen a fresh, eye-catching look for spring, you're in the right place. Today we're embarking on a spring makeover that will transform your cooking space into something truly spectacular. Let's jump right in. Let's start with the vision. Spring symbolizes rejuvenation, and what better way to embrace this season than by revitalizing our kitchen? We're aiming for a design that's both functional and fabulous, turning the space into a highlight of your home. Our spring makeover isn't just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing functionality. We're incorporating a spacious island right in the center, making it the heart of the kitchen. It's perfect for meals, conversations, or just enjoying a cup of tea. We're also updating our kitchen with the latest in appliance tech and sleek, contemporary furniture. The new setup includes high-efficiency appliances that not only look great, but are better for the environment. And check out these stylish, comfortable stools at the island. Good lighting is crucial, and we've got that covered with stunning new fixtures that provide both style and substance. We're also decking out the space with chic accessories that complement the overall design, adding layers of elegance and charm. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Take a look at our completely transformed kitchen. It's not just a makeover, it's a total revolution of the space, making it ready for spring and beyond. Thank you for watching this transformation journey. If you're inspired to refresh your own kitchen this spring, don't forget to hit like, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more great content. I hope our style fits your home. Happy decorating, and I'll see you next time.